In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps you'll need to take to be able to use your smartphone to collect data about MTBA program activities in the field. We will be using a program called SurveyCTO, which is a technology platform that enables data to be collected electronically at any time and then transferred to a secure database when you can connect to a Wi-Fi network. SurveyCTO has two main components: the SurveyCTO server, which is where you will access the blank M&E form, and SurveyCTO collect, which you will use to enter activity information and to upload completed forms. To begin, we will first need to connect to the internet to be able to download the SurveyCTO app. Once you have connected your device to a Wi-Fi network, find the icon for your internet browser. Open your internet browser and type in the following link: https://popcouncil.surveycto.com/collect. Select Download Android App and click on OK if there are any pop-up messages. When the app is downloaded, click Open at the bottom of your screen. Click Next and then Install. It may take a few moments for the app to install. Now that the app is installed, click Open at the bottom of your screen. This is the SurveyCTO homepage. In the upper right-hand corner, you will find the Settings menu. Before you can start using SurveyCTO to collect data, you will need to configure the settings in the app. First, go to General Settings and change the server name to popcouncil. Next, enter MTBA user as your username and MTBA 2017 as your password. You will need to configure your settings so that the app works the same way each time you use it. Under Auto Send/Receive, make sure none of the boxes are checked. Under User Interface, select Navigation and choose Use Swipes and Buttons. Under User Interface, ensure that only color form navigation is checked. Uncheck all other boxes. Under Edit Saved Form, check all boxes. Use your device's Return button to return to the SurveyCTO homepage. You are now ready to download the blank form from the SurveyCTO server. Select Get Blank Form to connect to the server. You will now see a list of forms available on the server. Select Activity Monitoring Form 9.1.17 and press Get Selected. Press OK to return to your home page. The Activity Monitoring Form is now stored in the app. Finally, you are ready to fill in activity data. Select Fill Blank Form and choose Activity Monitoring Form 9.1.17. Use the arrows at the bottom of the screen to navigate through the questions in the survey. First, you will be asked to identify yourself. If you know your enumerator ID number, enter it. If not, select Next and enter your first and last names into the form. Select your country, state, or region, the partner organization you work for, and the level at which the activity was conducted. If you make a mistake and want to return to a previous question, do not use the left-pointing arrow. Instead, select the three squares in the upper right-hand corner of your screen and click Go to Prompt. Scroll through your previously entered information and select the response you want to change. From here, use the forward arrow to continue through the survey. It is important that you use the Go to Prompt function to fix any mistakes, because the form is programmed to display different questions based on the responses you enter. Enter the name of the village where the activity was conducted. If you would like to, you may also add a one-sentence description of the activity. You will then be prompted to select the program outcome area that is most relevant to the activity. It is important to be very familiar with the 7 different program outcome areas. The outcome you select will determine which questions are asked about the activity. Respond to the outcome-specific questions one at a time, using the right arrow to proceed through the questionnaire. Indicate whether the activity participants were male, female, or both. You will then be asked to estimate the number of participants by age category. You may not know the exact number or exact ages of participants. In this case, give your best estimates. If both females and males participated in the activity, you will be asked to fill in the number of girls and women on one screen and the number of boys and men on a second screen. Enter the date of the activity and the number of hours it took to complete. Finally, enter your GPS location by selecting Record Location and waiting for your coordinates to load. You have now reached the end of the activity monitoring form. Before you submit the form, use the Go-To prompt function to double-check the responses you have entered. Next, press on the upper right-hand corner one more time, select Validate Form, and then click OK. On the final screen, select the checkbox to mark the form as finalized and press Save Form and Exit. This will bring you back to the SurveyCTO homepage. You can see that there is now a number 1 in parentheses after Send Finalized Form. This shows how many forms you have filled out that are waiting to be uploaded to the server. When you are able to connect to a Wi-Fi network, click on Select Finalized Form. Select the forms you want to upload to the server. Click Send Selected and then OK. When you return to the SurveyCTO homepage, you will see that these forms have now been removed from the number in parentheses after Send Finalized Forms. You have successfully submitted monitoring data for this activity. To enter data for a different activity, open a new form by selecting Fill Blank Form and then repeat the steps discussed in this video. Each MTBA program activity will be reported on its own form. This video has discussed the basics of setting up SurveyCTO on your device and using it to collect MTBA program activity data in the field. For more detail, please refer to your SurveyCTO training guide. Thank you for your attention.